So everybody tell me how all are you? So today I came in front of you with a new video. So please watch this video till the end because we will discuss about any topics. So please watch the video till the end. So now right now I would like to you, I'm calling to Bhavya. So Bhavya will come and we will talk to each other. So everybody let's get started without wasting time, without taking time. So Bhavya, please come in. Thank you. So first of all, right now I would like to you. Now I'm going to ask to her, and she will give answer. So Bhavya, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
I know your name, but I would like to you. Please, you tell me what is your name.
My name is Bhavya.
Bhavya. And what is your meaning of your name? Firstly, you will have to speak. Try to clear, no?
Clear, sir.
Do you have any ideas about your name or not?
Yes, sir, little a bit.
Yes, tell. Try.
My name is connected with worship,
Okay.
and my name meaning of its name is God Ma Durga name.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Bhavya, it means Bhavani.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. That's good. That's very good problem. So are you ready talking to each other or not?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Very good. Now, so let's get started without wasting time or without taking time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Then, so everybody, and please watch this video. I insist to you, I request to you because we are going to talk to each other right now. So, Bhavya, first of all, I would like to you, please tell me what's your introduction. Take this. Can you introduce yourself or not?
Yes, sir, I
Firstly,
can.
then you will have to answer my questions. Clear now? Then because right now we don't have time, just we have only for 1 hour, and we will discuss about, we will clear all the interview only within an hour. Within an
Hour.
ठीक है ना? Then
First of all, thanks for asking to me, sir.
very good. So I would like thanks for coming here.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Now, please.
First of all, thanks for asking to me, sir. Now I am going to introduce my introduction. My name is Bhavya Priya. I am from India and I basically belongs to Devgarh, and I am 15 years old. As far as my study background is concerned, I did complete my 7th class from Christ School JCD, and my preparation is going on 8th class from Bharati Vidyapit School Devgarh. And as far as my family background is concerned, I have 6 members in my family and I am elder one in my family, and I want to become an IAS officer, and I like to study and playing badminton. Thank you, that's it.
Oh my God, that's great. That's great. Very good. Very good. Wow. So it was your introduction.
Yes, sir, it was nice to
Okay. Okay. Very good. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Your introduction was very good.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So now next thing I will ask to you. Okay. Okay. You tell me what is your daily routine? Do you have any ideas? What do you do every day? Can you explain about your daily routines or not?
Yes, sir, I can explain about my daily routine.
Please do it.
Thanks for asking to me, sir. First of all, I wake up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. Then I open my eyes and smile a bit. After that, I fold my hand and I get down from my bed. And where is my slipper? Then I put on my slipper and go to washroom. After that, I wash up my hand and brush my teeth. Then I take a bath and I get ready. After that, I eat food and go to school. After schooling, I come back into my home and change my clothes. Then I eat food. After that, I come in institute. Then I study for 2 hours. After that, I go at my home. Then I go for study. After that, I eat food and go out sleep at night.
Very good, very good. Wow, that's the great, Bhavya. That's the great. Wow. So, can I ask some question or not?
Yes, sir.
I can ask to you?
Yes, sir.
Of course. So, first of all, you tell me first of all, are you learning English language or not?
Yes, sir. I am learning English.
You are learning. Yeah, you have learned.
I am learning English language.
Okay, you are learning in this
Yes.
time. Very good. So, tell me what's your teacher name? Who teach you English language?
Mr. Lalmohan Azad sir teach me English language.
Oh my God. When did you join these classes and why do you join this class? Do you have any ideas or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Because, sir, I want to learn English languages. That's why I joined this institute. I am very hesitant with English learning language in this time, but I am very comfortable speak English languages in this time. Thank
Okay,
you.
no problem. Very good. So you can see everybody, and because she is learning in this time, she has not learned right now because so it's will be going on is hesitate. So not problem. This is the very good. It was conversation. So it's okay. Oh my God, are you feeling hot today?
Yes, sir, I am feeling hot.
So please go and switch on the fan. Pranav, go and switch on the fan. Okay, because I feel also very hot. Yes, please take your seat. Very good, no problem. So it's okay, no problem. One day, what you want to do, and definitely 100% you will do. Clear now?
Clear, sir.
So of course, why not? So what you want to achieve in your future, definitely 100% you will achieve. Clear now?
Thank you,
But
sir.
just then you will have to practice every day, and then you will have to do always time. Then you will have to try to do something. Clear na?
Clear, sir.
Little a bit, it's okay, no problem. It will be done, and what you want to become in your future, definitely you will earn, and you will definitely achieve your hobbies and your dream. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Can you define it about your daily yesterday routine or not?
Yes, sir, I can define my yesterday routine.
Okay, now do it. Try it. Take this.
First of all, thanks for asking to me, sir.
Very good.
Now I am going to introduce my yesterday routine. First of all, I woke up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. I got down from my bed. Then where is my sleeper? And I put on my sleeper. After that, teeth. Then I took a bath and I got ready. After that, I ate food and go. After schooling, I came back into my home and changed my clothes. Then I ate food and go for play. I went for play. Then after playing, I came for my institute and I study for 2 hours. Then go for home and I study for 1 hour. After that, I eat food and go to sleep at night.
Very good. It's okay. So you tell me first of all, when did you join these English classes?
Because
Do you have any ideas? When did you join these English classes?
no, sir, in this time I forget it, sir.
You forget it. It's okay, no problem. What's your English teacher name?
My English teacher name is Mr. Lalmohan Azad, sir.
Okay, very good. Do you have any ideas about your teacher or not?
Yes, sir, I have.
What you know that about your teacher, and what do you think about your teachers who teach you English language? And so please tell.
First of all, thanks for asking to me, sir. My teacher's name is Mr. Lalmohan Azad, sir.
Very good.
He from to Bihar, and Mr. Lalmohan Azad sir teach me English language, and he is very good teacher. He trained me English languages. Mr. Lalmohan Azad sir is highly effective English trainer, entrepreneur, drug expert based in India. He taught thousands of students in India, all were from other state. Mr. Lalmohan Azad sir is CEO as MD of PMID. If you have dream to English languages, please doesn't waste your time and take one chance. Thank you, that's it.
That's no problem. It's okay. Very good. Please clapping. Please clapping. Nice. बहुत बढ़िया. I am asking to you again questions, and then you are giving my questions answers. So that's the grade I appreciate with you. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So can you discuss about this institute or not?
Yes, sir, I can discuss about this institute.
Please do it.
This institute name is Panchmukhi Institute, Devghar. Panchmukhi Institute is the one of the best institute in Devghar, and Panchmukhi Institute is nearby SBI Training Center, and there Mr. Lalmohan Azad sir is CEO as MD of Panchmukhi Institute, and they are very beautiful institute in this places, and there are many things available in this institute and many facilities available in this institute, and thank you.
Okay, no problem. It is going on hesitate. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Little a bit. It's okay, no problem. It's okay, very good. So right now I would like to you ask some sentences, clear na?
Yes.
And then you will have to speak in English.
Okay,
Clear
sir.
na? Then you will have to translate in English. Are you ready or not?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Because right now I will ask in Hindi sentences. Clear?
Yes, sir.
A lot of sentences I will ask to you, but you will have to translate in English language. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Ready. Very good. So first of all you tell me, पंखा चालू है.
Fan is on.
Okay. मेरा दिल टूटा हुआ है.
My heart is broken.
बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है.
Every dose make a note.
सर आ रहे हैं.
Sir is coming.
सर आ चुके
Sir
हैं.
has come.
सर पढ़ा रहे हैं.
Sir is teaching.
मैं 2 दिनों से पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I have been studying for 2 days.
For 2 days. Very good. मोबाइल चालू है.
Phone is on.
मोबाइल बज रहा है.
Phone is ringing.
सर पढ़ा रहे हैं.
Sir is teaching.
जल्दी आइए.
Come fast.
अंदर आ जाइए.
Come in.
और अंदर जाइए.
Go in.
अच्छा, मैं हंस रहा हूँ.
I am laughing.
मुझे देखिए.
Look at me.
अच्छा वहाँ जाइए,
Go there.
यहाँ आइए,
Come here.
मेरे पास आइए।
Come with me.
ओके वेरी गुड। कोने में जाइए।
Go out. Go to the corner.
डू गो एट द कॉर्नर।
Go at the corner.
वेरी गो एट द
Corner.
कॉर्नर। लाइट आ गई,
Electricity has come.
चली गई।
Electricity has gone.
मेरा दिल टूटा हुआ,
My heart is broken.
बूंद बूंद से गड़ा हुआ
Every
है।
drops make no sense.
कभी कभी मुझे लगता है।
Sometimes I feel
ओके अच्छा, छोटी छोटी बातों पर
just
Over?
over trifles.
ओवर एंड ट्रिपल्स।
Over and trifles.
ओके वेरी गुड।
Video.
मैं वीडियो देखता हूँ।
I watch videos.
अच्छा वेरी गुड। और मैं वीडियो देख चुका हूँ।
I have watched videos.
ओके मैं आपसे बात करूँगा।
I will talk to you.
मेरी माँ खाना बना रही होगी।
My mother will be cooking food.
वेरी गुड। अच्छा आज सोमवार है।
It's Monday today.
आज सोमवार नहीं है।
It's not Monday today.
6:06 हुआ है।
It's 6 minutes past in 6 o'clock.
6 मिनट पर।
6 minutes past in 6 o'clock.
अगेन स्पीक। 6:06 हुआ है।
It's 6 minutes past in 6 o'clock.
6 बजने में 6 मिनट बाकी है।
It's 6 minutes left in 6 o'clock.
वाओ पक्का 9 बजा है।
It's sharp 9 o'clock.
आज मौसम खराब है।
It's bad weather today.
वेरी गुड। आज बारिश हो रही है।
It's rainy today.
It's raining today. Wow, nice. I will not ask you 2 more questions, okay? Because I am tired. Okay, Bhavya, so thanks for coming here. So your interview was very good. Next time I will talk to next topic. Clear now?
Clear. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel.
Okay. And anything you want to speak?
No, sir.
No. Why? It's okay. No problem. Again, thank you. Thanks for coming here. Now.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. You can go.